easy to overlook the importance of chimney repair in maintaining a safe and healthy home. But think again. A properly functioning chimney is much more than an aesthetic piece. It plays a key role in the overall health and functionality of your home. Why is that so? Well, we'll tell you why. Safety first. A damaged chimney can cause fire hazards. Cracks and crevices can lead to a buildup of creosote, a highly flammable substance. Regular repair and maintenance can help prevent this. Health matters. An ill-maintained chimney can lead to carbon monoxide buildup in your home. This colorless, odorless gas is lethal at high concentrations. Timely repairs can prevent such problems. Prevent costly damage. Water damage is a common issue with faulty chimneys. Water can seep into the bricks and cause structural damage over time. Regular chimney repair can save you from huge repair costs in the future. Efficiency. A well-maintained chimney ensures efficient heating. Blockages and damages can hamper the ventilation, leading to poor heating and increased fuel consumption. So don't underestimate the importance of chimney repair. We're here to help with professional and comprehensive roofing solutions, including chimney repair, to ensure you have a safe, healthy, and efficient home.